Hello.
Yes, Suresh.
Yes. Yasin is the string is also you are using string is also some kind of data type. You can also use like that. Suppose string s1 equal to something hello. Right? Normally string, what is meant by string? A string is a sequence of characters, a collection of characters, sequence of characters. To combine multiple characters, we can form the strings. Suppose our names and all the things, the representation of any keywords, all everything is a string in a Java. Okay, this is what the one shade, and actually it is not the data type in Java. String is a class, but we are using as special kind of data type. How we are using like this means we are taking this string as a data type, yes or no? But string it is not a data type, and we are not listed string is also in primitive data types, yes or no? We have only 8 primitive data types. A
Yeah.
string is not among them. For that we have taken, we are considered as a string as a one special kind of class. It is not a data type. Okay, I am saying string is a class. Can I create an object for string class? Yes. String s2 equal to new string. And what are the content you have to push it to the s2? We have to load it here. Okay, let us execute. I got hello, good morning. Both the things I got it right.
Yeah.
Check it out. I don't want the output is hello, good morning. I want hello space good morning. How I can achieve?
Adding a space means
I want a space between S1 and S2. What I have to do?
plus
Plus,
quotation and then see. Yeah.
is it enough?
Yeah.
Hello, good morning. Right? See,
Yeah.
by seeing these things, can you accept string is also a one class?
Yes.
We are creating object means for what concepts we have to create an object? We can create only the classes. For only classes itself, I can able to create an object. So yes,
Yeah.
the string object. If you want to give the reference for the string means the one way is string s1 equal to directly content. The another way is string the with the reference variable the s2 new string of content. Okay. Then what's the difference between S1 and S2? Is there any difference between S1 and S2 means? Yes, we have little bit about the memory concern area. Check out. Listen carefully. S1 is there, S2 is there. Here I have declared created two string variables, that is S1 and S2. S1 I have declared as the string S1 hello, S2 declared as a new string of good morning, right? And I am storing string s3 equal to hello. S4 equal to good morning. Check it out. We have 4 variables: S1, S2, S3, S4. Right? By seeing this itself, what it will show? First of all, S1 holds the hello content. Okay. Then S2 holds good morning. And S3 holds hello. Whenever we are saying, we just declared S3 hello and we are not saying new string, what it will happen means S3 doesn't allow as another space S3 space hello like this. We have declared one more copy for S3 and which is pointing for the hello mechanism itself. And S4 means it has good morning. Again it will create a reference because we are using new reference. Just a second, I will explain. This concept is entirely we are saying as yes, it is not the concept of string immutable. First check it out. First this example check it out first of all. See, now I am explaining about string memory management. How the memory will be managed by the string. Check it out. Here I have 4 variables: S1, S2, S3, S4. Here S1 and S3 have the same content. For that purpose, it is not creating 2 references, created only one reference variable, one reference content, and points to the 2 variables. Both S1 and S3 point to the same memory area, that is hello. Okay, but whenever you are keeping the content is same and you are differentiating with the new string, it will create a new reference by keeping the one more variable, one more memory area, and load the same content, good morning, and refer to the S4. Have you got this?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, but what is the use of creating? Here we are using most of the memory, right?
Yes.
Compared to normal string.
That's why we are not using this kind of, every time we are not using new string. We are using just string S3 equal to hello like this only.
Okay.
Okay, if you want, but if you the content is same, again if you want one more variable means, then we have to change it as a new string like this. We have 2 ways are there. Your wish, based on your requirement, you can use S3 type of declaration or S4 type of declaration.
Okay.
Okay. And take the concept of immutable string. Do you know what is immutable? We cannot change the value. Here the string is immutable. Meanwhile, we cannot change the string value. But suppose, let us think about MVP S3 equal to or S1 equal to something like height or something like that. What is the S1 value it prints? Hyderabad only. Initially the value is hello. It will replace with the Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is printing here. But what I am saying, we cannot change the value for string. In what is the conflict about this my two statements is here, based on the memory area, suppose initially the S1 is pointing to the hello, right? Then
Yeah.
whenever we are pointing S1 equal to Hyderabad, it is not replaces the Hyderabad. Okay, it will create one more memory area called Hyderabad. Okay, and remove the reference, not the memory area, and point out to the Hyderabad. Okay, the hello is still happens in the memory. That is why we are saying a string is immutable. Based on the string mechanism, string memory mechanism, there is no overriding of content in the memory. It will occupy another memory space and points to that reference variable. That's all. We are not referring to the same content in the same memory block as we change the content also. Have you got the concept of immutable, or I need to
Yeah.
explain one more time?
Yeah, I understood.
You understood, right? That is why we have to think about a lot of things. String is an immutable content concept, and the block, if the content is same, means it doesn't require one more space. Same space will be needed for to store all the things. S1, S3. Now S1 is changed to the Hyderabad. S3 remains to the hello only. Okay, like this the execution will be mechanism, execution mechanism of hello will be, string will be happens. Let us execute some things. I hope you got the string right. Can we move to the some methods or methods in string? What are the string methods are there?
Yeah.
The first thing is two uppercase, two lowercase. Check it out. I just using one S string variable, and I want to print something like all the hello characters as uppercase letters. We have things are there. Two lowercase is there. Two uppercase is also there. Suppose declare two more strings. Let us execute. Have find the thing. So this is what we got the output. Hello, it is the S1. Normally what is the input data I am following. Whenever we are trying to push the string dot to lowercase, whenever we are doing the things is all the characters in the content is moved to the lowercase letters, and again I am trying to push S1 dot to upper string, then again all the characters in the string will be moved as upper case. Have you got the two lowercase and two uppercase?
Yeah.
Yes. Like this I have already given the document. Check it out. Say the input data is Sachin, and whenever I move to the uppercase, it will the print as a Sachin like this. To lowercase means it will print as a like this. Normal S means normally Sachin will only print it. Let us take the things like trim. Actually, the content is Sachin. Okay, the value is Sachin itself. Whenever I am using that trim means it eliminates the spaces, white spaces especially. Okay, suppose the content is like this. That is what the content. Okay, then what it will print? Let us take it out. I am trying to print S1 dot trim. See, it removes the white spaces not in between the words, before the word and after the word. Wherever it sees the white spaces are unnecessary. Here it thought it is unnecessary. Here it is thought a unnecessary. Here we cannot saying this is it thought as a word and we need a spaces. That's why it is not removed those spaces. Have you got the difference of? Have you got the trim method? If the content has the additional spaces, then it will remove the spaces. Simple case. Starts with, end with. To test Sachin, I have taken as a for every time as an example as Sachin, and I want to test it. My text is starting with the SCA and ends with N. Then it will print as a S dot starts with SCA and S dot ends with N. We are getting a true. Why means the Sachin starts with SCA and ends with N. Hari, this is enough, right? I need to execute all these programs.
We can go ahead,
Yes.
Suresh.
I will explain things. You can execute means then you can get it out. No need to. Actually,
Okay.
I wrote all the things. Output also I have here. I have showed here. And check it out. Char at. The main purpose of char is to take the character among the string based on the index. Suppose I have a Sachin string is there. In the Sachin string, I want to get the first index value, first character. Then I have to pass the s dot caret 0. Then I can get the value as yes. I want to get the fifth character in my string, or eighth character in my string, or third character in my string. Then I have to use the caret of 3. Here my third character is H. Here you can remember that the index always starts from 0. In string also the index starts from 0, like arrays. Check it out. Char at. And the length, to length of the characters. Suppose my length of the characters, suppose my string holds 8 characters. It will give the length of the characters. Let me execute this like S1 dot length. Length is very important. You should remember this. In most of the cases, string functions, I am using the length. See, the length of the characters is 16. It includes the spaces. It in the spaces and how many characters are there. It will print it the length. Okay. Next. check it out. The intern, what the intern will explain about the thing is, suppose I am storing directly the search into the yes object, okay, and yes dot intern, it is giving the one more copy to the same string, okay. Suppose here I have given some definition like this, right? A pool of strings initially empty is maintained privately by the class string. Suppose we have some length of strings are there, 2 to 3 strings are there. All the strings are, we have to keep it as a one string object in the string class itself, means we have to use the intern method. Okay, no need to remember this intern. We never use this. Just for the purpose of a method itself, I am explaining. The output is also such anyway. Remember this value of see, initially the value is a value is 10. If you want to convert, okay, suppose a string is equal to string dot value of a. Here what is the value of a? 10. Yes or no? The 10 will be copied to the yes. Now system.println yes plus 10 means yes is the value of 10 and plus 10. We have used both are strings and plus is act as a concatenation. That's why we are getting as 10 10, not the 20. Okay, here the value of s is string. That's why I am getting 10 plus 10 10. If I declared s as a, here if I write the a plus 10 means I got a 20. I hope you understand. String has value of method to print what is the value in that, to something like to convert the integer to the strings. Like this also we can also make use of string dot value of. String dot value of executes the what the value is. And replace, check it out. I will do the replace at least once. Suppose string S1 has the Java is a program language, Java is a platform, Java is an island. Okay, these are the three statements, three strings are there in, these are the three phrases are there in my string S1. If I want to replace where the Java is there, I want to replace with a Kava. Then after I need to use the method called s1.replace Java comma something like KAVA. Then I am executing the statements. Automatically in the place of Java the Kava will be stored. Replace, the output will be like this. Kava is a program language, Kava is a platform, Kava is a island. You can also check it out. Hi, hello, hi, hello, hi. I want, in the place of hi, I want like Suresh I want, something like Suresh I want in the place of hello. Okay, then what I want to use is, what I can say, in the place of hello, I want Suresh. I'm trying to be good. Actually, before going to the statements, the S1 holds hi, hello, hi, hello, hi. Then after replacing, what's the output? Hi Suresh, hi Suresh, hi. the Suresh is replaced with hello. Sorry,
Yeah.
hello is replaced with Suresh.
Hello, Suresh. Yeah.
You got it right?
Yeah.
These are the basic methods which are there in the string class. Okay? And moreover, as I am saying, a string is immutable, right?
Yeah.
Okay. To change this concept itself, we have a string buffer. Which is mutable. Okay, we can change the value of string buffer, and I will explain string buffer. We have another concept is also the string builder. Okay, string buffer and string builder, and we have more functions in a string buffer and string builder also. All the methods, all the remaining string methods, string buffer, string builder, I will explain it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got the concepts right for today?
Yeah.
Yes, I will share these documents. Check out once.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.